How to make dice links on Monopoly Go. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. So on Monopoly Go, if you want more dices, you can get that by sharing your Monopoly Go link. For that, you want to tap on the Friends button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now here you want to be on the Add Friends tab, and at the bottom you can find the Invite button. So tap on that option. Now here, as you can see, per invite, you're going to receive dices. So here there's a milestone of 20 dices, 60, 100 and 150 with a free token of Mr. Monopoly. So just by clicking on the invite button, you will be able to receive dices. So here you've got two different invite buttons. The first one is a link. So you can share this link to whoever you want by clicking on this orange invite button, or you can directly invite from Facebook by tapping on this blue invite button as well. So from here, you can share the link of your Monopoly Go and earn more dices. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.